This is my science kit, and today let us see how to make underwater volcano. So let's see what are the things needed. Water, oil, red color, baking soda, citric acid, test tube, spatula and stirring stick. Take the test tube, pour 10 ml water. Then add 2 drops of red color. And mix well using the stirring stick. Add 1 scoop of baking soda. Measure 20 ml cooking oil and slowly pour it into the test tube. Slowly pour it into the test tube. At last, add 1 scoop of citric acid into the test tube.
Wow! Volcano is ready.
Volcano is ready. So we have made underwater volcano. Move slowly through the oil layer because oil is thicker and sticky than water. This property of oil is called viscosity. Thanks for watching.